Well, let's show you over this blue and white antique willow pattern made by Ridgways. It's beautifully marked on the rears. We'll show you in a minute. Nice English shape. It's sitting in a hand-formed and probably what is an original wire rack made from turned and twisted wire. We'll show you that in a minute. All the elements of the Ridgways block design for Blue Willow in here. Classic borders, classic shape, classic indents, as you can see. Can't see any wear on this from where it's been in the wire rack, and I think it's been in there almost all of its life, because the actual surface, as I'll show you, has only a very occasional knife mark on it. Nice inclusions in the glaze. Everything's right about the date for this, which we know is November 1919. And there's its impress date mark with the run mark there, 11/19. And here is the factory transfer printed stamp, Semi China, partially transfer printed Ridgways flying arrow, sheath of arrows there. That's absolutely typical. Semi China is earthenware china, which is high fired at a high temperature. Let's just show you the wire rack in a bit more detail if I put it back into the groove in this cupboard. You can see this is formed just very simply with almost coat hanger wire that's been looped around itself, then these individual loops and attachments going round the outer side. Now that's probably been put on sometime during the early 20th century, manufactured in 1919 by Ridgways, and probably displayed for most of its life somewhere in an English country house in very good condition. There is some fine glaze crazing, little fine cracks in the glaze surface on. You get that with the Semi China. You don't tend to get it to the same degree with the older ironstone, because the thermodynamics between the Semi China and the high temperature that's produced at gives a difference between the glaze and the underlying china. So you do tend to get, over a period of time, with thermal variance and difference in expansion and contraction, these little fine cracks in the glaze. But that's absolutely normal for something of this age, and we would almost expect it on a semi-china piece. One has to have been kept in an incredibly even temperatured environment and not used at all, not put in ovens, not taken out of ovens, basically not used or had any heat applied to it, and stored and displayed somewhere that's got a very even temperature for the glaze not to have crazed through over 120 odd years. So a really nice genuine example in its original wire rack. We're going to sell it as seen, ready to go on display in somebody's collection. A real beautiful thing. I just love the way the blockwork's applied to this. It's a fully covered surface, as you'll appreciate. Very little white background there. They've really gone to town on the elements of the Blue Willow, and again, typical Ridgway borders here, not moth borders, but Ridgway's version of that characteristic blockwork with these lovely little irregularly applied border details on the very far elements of the rim. A really nice English Semi China Ridgway Blue Willow pattern. Thanks for watching.